Ooh, it's deep right here.
Yeah, it is. It's over the floor. It's over the step boards.
Stay away from the water. Stay home in a safe location. Do not attempt to drive through deep water.
We are attempting to drive through deep water, sir. You are no fun.
Do not attempt to return until we have let you know that it's safe. When you see the sun shining out there, it is extremely dangerous. Do not put your life at Please stay in your safe location until we let you know that it is safe to leave. Thank you again. Stay safe. And now we'll hear from the County Administrator, Bonnie Wise. Thank you.
Thank you, Director Dudley. Good morning. I'm Hillsborough County Administrator Bonnie Wise. First, I'd like to thank our residents who are staying home today and who have heeded our warnings and evacuation orders. You are helping to protect your lives and the lives of our first responders. We are all in this together. I also want to thank our brave first responders who are out there right now saving lives and working tirelessly to bring us back to normal. I want to reinforce this important message regarding what it looks like outside. Stay away from the water until emergency managers give the all clear. Please stay off the roads. The county's 5,000 employees and our partners are working tirelessly to protect and serve our residents, and we respond as we respond.
I picked the wrong shirt to wear. I'm burning up.
Help us save lives and get back to normal more quickly by remaining in a safe location.
Oh, you're probably.
Go to acfl.gov.net/stay safe for the latest information about the county's hurricane and drought resources.
Wow, this wind feels so nice though, even though it says it's 81 degrees.
Residents to register for ACFL Alert, Hillsborough County's official public notification system for emergency alerts.
Sleeves are so tight, they're hard to just keep up like this. I mean, they ain't all them people for one post.
Oh yeah, it's been like it's at high school again.
Technical search and rescue teams remove multiple tree limbs from roadways throughout Hillsborough County, ensuring clear paths of traffic to allow emergency vehicles to rapidly access in time of emergency situations. I want to thank our first responders and our residents for our orders.
red videos.
home insurance information.
Wow,
Bring those with you in a sealed waterproof bag and store them on a secure web cloud platform for access later.
Look at that. You're going down 495 like a river. Still.
Who is in a safe location, but our shelters remain available should you need them.
Going to Citrus Avenue like a river.